Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to integrate QuickBooks with Shopify. Connecting these two powerful platforms can significantly simplify your business operations. You will learn how to automate your accounting, saving valuable time and reducing manual errors. We will explore straightforward methods to ensure your sales, customer information, and inventory data flow seamlessly between Shopify and QuickBooks, providing a clear financial overview for your business. One of the most popular and efficient ways to integrate is by using a dedicated third-party connector app. These applications act as a bridge, automating the transfer of crucial data like sales orders, customer details, and product information directly into QuickBooks. Apps such as Cinder, Bold Commerce, or ConnectBridge can handle thousands of transactions, ensuring accuracy and saving you countless hours of manual data entry each month. For businesses with fewer daily transactions, manual data entry or using CSV imports can be a viable, albeit more time-consuming, approach. You can export your sales and order information from Shopify into a CSV file. This file can then be carefully formatted and imported into QuickBooks. While this method requires more hands-on effort, it offers complete control over the data being transferred, which can be beneficial for very specific accounting needs. Integrating Shopify and QuickBooks offers numerous benefits, including significant time savings and improved data accuracy. You gain a clearer, real-time understanding of your financial health, allowing for better decision-making. Remember to regularly reconcile your accounts and review sync data to ensure everything aligns perfectly. This proactive approach will help you maintain precise financial records and optimize your business operations for long-term success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.